What I really like about Bio Europe, that it's not only European. You see people from all over the world. You see all the different stakeholders in the game here.
My favorite aspect of Bio Europe is absolutely the networking, meeting new people, also people that I know.
I'm looking for meetings with either investors to take our company forward or with strategic partners to build together a great future for patients.
There are a lot of synergies between European biotech industry and the China biotech industry. We can promote a more business partnership between China and Europe.
I was at a very interesting panel yesterday on AI and its role in drug development, which was, I think, to be fair, it was a couple of very good quality panels, drug development and diagnosis. Kind of a hard-headed assessment that tried to demythologize some of and take away some of the hype and actually look properly at what AI can and, importantly, cannot do. There's this talk about in AI that it'll help you to fail faster and fail better, which is exactly what Samuel Beckett said in Worstward Ho. Try again, fail better.
It's a wonderful time to be here and celebrate with the EBD Group a very visionary concept that they set up to implement 30 years ago to bring all the key people in Europe in biotechnology together.
So 30 years of Bio Europe really have seen a lot of evolution towards how everything is organized. You have not only the same people that you know for years, but also there's new things. So every time you come here, you go back and you have learned a lot.
There's so many companies here, be it smaller companies, be it mid-sized, be it larger companies. All the people you want to talk to, they are here. So that makes it so effective in meeting so many people at one time, at one place, at great places.
So thank you EBD, continue, and hopefully the success will be yours for the next 30 years.